I'm gonna show you how to make the best Spanish omelette that you have tried in your life. It's really simple. In reality, there are only 3 ingredients to the Spanish omelette: potato, eggs, and onions. The last one is optional, onions. And there are many Spanish people that also don't like the Spanish omelette with onion. It's a big cause of division in the country. I'm gonna show you how to make it with onion because my mom makes it with onion and she's always right. And at this point, you could really add anything you like. And if you like pineapple on pizza, I'm gonna customize mine with sobrasada. My mom brought it from me from Mallorca. Over the years, she has become an expert smuggling illegal food through the airport. She never gets caught.
Do you know how you could tell if this is a top quality Spanish omelette?
Because when you cut it, the slice looks sexy, like this. It took me so much effort to make this f***ing omelette, and it wasn't that tasty neither. I didn't put enough salt. It was disgusting. Oh! It's missing a lot of salt. You could at least give me a like, or subscribe, or both.